someone tell us that there was no lunar atmosphere? Isn't that correct? Or was I not paying attention that day? Next slide. In this paragraph, they say the introduction to the initiating group is that this is a lunar-based planning group. And then it's going to be attended by the RAND Corporation, by people from UCLA, by North American Aviation. Next slide, please. You can see that this colloquium took place between May 13th, 1958 and April 25th, 1959. Next slide. Next. Here's another contents of a separate section of the same document. The chemistry of the moon, chemical resources on the moon, power for a lunar colony, where to land on the moon, observations on Mars and Venus. It doesn't say observations of Mars and Venus. Gamma-ray spectroscopy of the moon's surface, program of lunar and planetary experiments, and the crater Linnae, which is very important, ladies and gentlemen, because the crater Linnae has completely disappeared from the surface of the moon. You cannot find it. It's as if bulldozers have covered it up. Next slide. But in 1958, in this document, there may have been someone on the moon at that time. Next slide. Are orbiting the moon who took these photos of the crater Linnae. What's so interesting in the crater Linnae? Why did they have that in their colloquium? Well, there's a couple of things. One is this right here. Look at the crater. See the crater? See where the shadow is? And see where the sun is? There's another crater. See where the shadow is and where the sun is? That means this is not a crater, this is something sticking straight up from the surface or coming out of the surface of the moon. The caption in the photograph said that this is gas escaping from the interior of the moon. But there's even something even more interesting, and that is in this crater there is a dome. And in this crater there's also a dome. These are both the same photograph taken with different filters. Next slide. Now, supposedly we had nothing up there in 1958 and 59 orbiting the moon, and there was nothing on Earth that could take a photograph like that from the Earth.